Hello, welcome to Project Sage. And in this episode, I talk about where I watch legit and licensed anime for free. But before we proceed, let's talk about a few assumptions. First assumption is that you already have access to high-speed internet that allows you to watch streaming video. The free in this case pertains to the subscription. For example, when you access the Netflix library, which you require one. Now, these options I offer have no subscriptions. Well, still, in my opinion, Netflix still the best place to watch anime. Second assumption, no use of VPN. Now, VPN is a S-tier cheap device that allows you to bypass geo restrictions. However, those things come with a subscription also, so they aren't exactly free. Third assumption, I've used this in the Philippines. Okay. However, if you are in the Southeast Asia region, there's a chance that we could access the same content because some licenses actually cover the entire region with a few exceptions. So those are the three assumptions. Now, let's proceed to where I watch them. First up is YouTube. Now, YouTube is probably one of the most accessible places to watch legit and licensed anime for free. To that end, I follow two channels. First channel is Muse Asia. Now, Muse Asia is a company that has a channel on it on YouTube that offers a lot of anime regionalized or translated. It's a company based in Singapore, but they actually have a lot of good content, especially when it comes to English subtitles. Now, this is actually where I watch Mushoku Tensei for winter 2021. And not only do they have recent or simulcast anime, they also have recent classics like ReZero per season and Goblin Slayer. Okay, that's Muse Asia. Second channel I subscribe to is Aniwan Asia. It's a company similar to Muse Asia, but this time this is based in Hong Kong. They also offer a lot of localized content and they have some subtitles also, especially of the newer releases. So simulcast. This is where I watch So I'm a Spider, So What weekly. And they also have recent titles such as Food Wars and Konosuba as part of their lineup. Actually, they have more titles also. Another option for you to watch free anime, and if you're in my region or near my location, is the iQIYI app. iQIYI app. Or on the browser, www.iq.com. It's a streaming service. Actually, it's a free streaming service. And I think discovering this app was fate, because with it, I was able to watch the second season of Tensura because it was region lock or country lock for me in Muse Asia. But with this app, I was able to watch Tensura Season 2. And I looked also at the markings. It's the same title, same anime, licensed by Muse Asia. So their subtitles are their licensed ones. So a lot of their titles in iQ or iQIYI are actually also handled or distributed by Muse Asia. And not only Tensura, but the Cells at Work series. Another option to watch free licensed anime. When I was younger, I didn't know any better. It's Crunchyroll. Okay. Now, Crunchyroll actually offers a few titles with complete seasons, licensed, subtitled, free. You can even watch them, and with some ads, of course. But the thing is, there are some titles there that I would have wanted to watch because they had the license for it. But even if I had a paid subscription, the thing is, you have no idea. It's a mixed bag. You have no idea which of the titles are actually covered or that can be watched in your location. So if you're in the Philippines and you have Crunchyroll, you want to pay or go for a subscription, I don't recommend it. Bad idea. I mean, you pick Crunchyroll because they were carrying this title. Then when you get the subscription, then you run it, and what happens? They don't actually hold the license for your location. So going through all of that is a hassle. So rather not deal with it. So in my opinion, I'm not really a big fan of Crunchyroll. Those are the big three. Now I have a few honorable mentions. So to define my honorable mentions is that they also offer free licensed anime. But the thing is, the content they offer is specialized or is limited to a certain fandom. But it's free licensed anime. Okay, so let me go over. I have two honorable mentions. First, NHK World. Okay, you heard me right. That's the Japanese channel or broadcast company, but their international arm. Sometimes on their YouTube, they actually have one of those art pieces, anime shorts, sometimes. But on their website, which you can also access anywhere if you're in an international location, is that they actually carry Kyo in Kyoto at the Maiko House, and they air it at the regular schedule of a monthly. Now, I came to that anime because I'm actually a fan of the manga. Okay, manga or the stories about a girl, like high school age girl, who's working as the caterer for the Maiko House, the house and in that house, she's with her best friend, who's actually an apprentice geisha or geiko, so called a Maiko, so hence Maiko House. And it's a slice of life manga that is relaxing to read and sometimes pretty cute. Okay, so when I heard there was an anime, boom, automatic. So NHK is on but it's only one title or one series, so it's on my honorable mentions. The second one is Gundam Info on YouTube. Gundam Info is actually an invaluable resource if you're into Gunpla, and they actually carry several seasons of their titles, especially the more recent ones. I'm sure Below Divers is there, and I think until recently Iron Blooded Orphans is there, so complete seasons. But the thing is, if there was, let's say, Gundam Wing or Gundam G Fighter or Fighter G Gundam, it would have ranked higher on my list. But as I said, it's really specialist fandom. So those are the places that I watch anime. Okay, legit in licensed anime. So guys, people, viewers, friends, watch legit in licensed anime because they help the anime industry, and they help the anime industry give us more anime. It's a virtuous cycle. So we've reached the end of our special episode, and if you're still here, I'd like to thank you for watching till the end, because every view, and if you like this, every like and every subscribe actually help this little channel grow. So I'd really like to thank you sincerely for sticking this long. So if this is your kind of content, if you agree with my choices, hit like. If you disagree, hit dislike. If you have something to say, put it in the comments below. Until then, we are Project Sage. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.